title.
All right, welcome, everybody. You're listening to God. Gotta work on that intro there. Anyway, you're listening to GamerCat, and this is GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. And on today's episode, we will be trying to halt the slide into rank 19. We were recently rank 18, and we've had a couple of losses that have kind of set us back a little bit. But what I did was I went ahead and swapped out a couple of the quests that I have. So hopefully I'll be able to complete some quests and go up the rank a little bit and make this all enjoyable for you without a few of the audio gaffes that I've been kind of doing a little bit here. You know, botching the intro, you know. Oh well. Anyway, off we go. I like to play a Murloc. Come on.
Uther
Anyway.
versus Anduin. The light shall bring victory.
I will fight with honor.
Looks like a decent hand. We'll go ahead and go with that. So one of our quests is to play some Paladin cards, so it's in our best interest to play this guy here and this guy here because they're all Paladin. These guys are general characters. It's not our best interest right now to play the coin and get something out early because say I played him and him, this wouldn't go off until the next turn anyway, so, or, I mean, this goes off the same turn it's played, so basically if I play him one turn and play him on that same turn, this guy has summoning sickness, so this wouldn't work. So let's go ahead anyway and play him and call it good. Oh, he doesn't like that guy, so he's gonna kill it immediately. Okay, well, you know, you possibly should have waited. You know, I'm gonna get you out. What the hell?
Reporting for duty.
There we go. This way, next turn I can deploy my knife thrower and something else and be guaranteed of at least one shot at something. And it also preserves the threat. I got a 1/1 guy out here that's like, ooh, threatening. A lot of this game is psychological. You're trying to psych out the other player to do something. See, that's just stupid. But it tells me he has virtually no move. If you're going to blow two crystals just to heal yourself when you're already healed, you're signaling that you have nothing. He may rope here, which also signals that you have nothing. Yep, there's the rope. Well, now, I'm not going anywhere. It's not like I'm going to quit the game because you're roping. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. And what do I want to do about this? I'm going to go... You know, you give me Divine Shield. That's a good thing to have for a knife thrower. Go ahead and do that, and then him, and then him.
Not on my watch.
And we'll start the whole process of face planting this guy. And see, now what I can do next turn here is I can I can play my, oh god. Well, I got him anyway, because what I'll do is he can't hurt us, so what I'll do is give you that, give you that.
Reporting for duty.
This is my responsibility.
The battle!
Kill him, preserve our line, and more face. And now he's in even bigger trouble. Oh! Okay. That's one way to get out of that. I'm going to go ahead and give us all cards. Because I don't care. 25, 23. There we go. Now you do need that healing. There you go. Okay. So he's down to 6 now. You know, even if there we go. Because I've got damage here I can do, so he might take out the knife thrower or something like that. That's big. That's one of the big threats on the board. The other one would be him, and he could take out the Murloc 4 leader and the knife thrower. Heal him up a little bit. Ease up to 6. Right there. Fireball's always good there. We'll do kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. And there we go. What I'm really doing is I'm setting up for this guy here sooner or later. Okay. Let's do you. And then face the rest of these guys. There we go. Slowly but surely getting you down and maintaining some board presence of my own.
Are you mocking me?
Well, and here's what you do about things like that. Let's see. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. The hell? I guess it's probably a good thing I'm not actually using that. A little bit low on the offense at the moment, but we'll go ahead and do more face. Problem now is that his hero power, which heals him, doesn't cost him anything. So, hello. That is interesting. It works for him too. I did not know that. That is way cool. Oh, what are you? Ooh, you are interesting. Okay. Let's see. Well, of course we got to kill off the opposing warrior there.
Back to your homes.
And do more damage. Get rid of more people. Gotta get rid of this guy because, well, you know, he just needs power. Now we gotta keep you using your hero power even though it's free. Ow! Oh! Oh well. Yeah. This just got stupid. Okay, well, we do have a little bit of a way to cut him down a little bit. There we go. Hopefully a bunch of stuff dies. Yes, it did, thank God. And now to kill off this guy. Do as much damage as we can each turn because now we're, you know, we've got to do something before we lose completely here. Hi, Malfurion. Not Malfurion, what the hell? Nefarian, excuse me. God. Ah, I'm bad at names. Nefarian. Sorry, Neffy. Your other Murlocs. Good. Do I have anything I can pop for 1 point? Not really. I'll put you out there. 8, 11, 12, 8, 11, 13, 17. Ow! You know, we're just going to get popped. So we'll go ahead and concede this game because we're just going to get ourselves popped here. So, there we go.
A victory.
We'll give you the victory, well earned. With a 10-drop card there, anything can happen. There are times when that card, those 10-drop cards really do change the game. In any event, if you thought I could do something different, if you liked what you saw, please go ahead and feel free to leave me some comments in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Gamer Cat signing off.